Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom. Not just a regular clean, but like a deep spring clean. I want to change my sheets. I want to dust, mop, just get in the nooks and crannies that you don't do on a regular, weekly basis. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. It's springtime. I want to bring out my lighter color comforter. Just have the place looking fresh. My bed is not made, one, because I basically just got out of it. And I'm going to change it anyway. So there's no point in making it for y'all when I'm going to change the sheets anyway. So yeah, let me just show you what everything is looking like right now. So bed is messy. I need to clean the baseboards because they're kind of getting dusty. I want to wipe down the end tables, the Peloton, everything. Everything is just a mess. There's stuff on my dresser that doesn't even need to be there. I just have to get it together. So hopefully this video inspires you to do some spring cleaning as well. I like watching cleaning videos. It just motivates me to get my life together and clean the house. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's not procrastinate and waste any more time.
Little.
I feel like I've talked about this before, but probably on my sustainability video. But I wanted to show you guys what I use to dust my house. If my husband has an old t-shirt that has holes in it, or he doesn't wear it anymore or whatever, I just cut it up into little squares so I can use them and wash them and reuse them. I don't use them to clean the bathroom and things like that because I feel like that type of cleaning job needs to be used for something that could be thrown away, like disinfecting wipes or paper towels or whatever. So I just use it to dust. And I also have these microfiber towels as well that I like. So I just want to show you guys what I'm probably going to be using. So let's get into it. So I'm making progress. I just want to give y'all a little update. I'm making progress. I'm getting a little hungry though, so I might have to take a little break. I'm just getting rid of like some miscellaneous stuff that I don't want on my dresser. I just like things to look clear and not cluttered. And if I have to get rid of something or donate something, I will, because I just can't stand the clutter. So I'm just cleaning up, straightening out my dresser, taking off what doesn't need to be there. Oh my goodness. Don't ever buy white furniture, y'all. At least when I got married, we bought our furniture set from, I think it was Overstock or Wayfair or something, and never again. I hate, I'm grateful that we have a set, obviously, but like I would never buy a white set again because every little scratch shows up no matter what. I can't stand it. I had a scratch on it like literally a month after getting it. And they just kept coming. So I would never buy a white set again. Like this, little scratches. This is from someone putting a curling iron on my dresser. Like, it's just every little thing shows up and I cannot stand it. So anyway, I wanted to show y'all this thing that I have that currently holds all my makeup in it. This looks so disgusting and dirty. I need to clean that. But I need to get a new thing. I've had this for years, probably since college, and it's time to update this because, like, this is ugly, right? So I just want to organize it, clean it out. I'm probably going to get a new, something acrylic, something nicer. You know, I'm just sick of everything. I want to throw everything out.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
I just wanted to show y'all the vacuum that I use. It's a 3-in-1 and this thing was probably no more than $30 and it works so well. This is actually my husband's that he used to have in his old apartment before we got married. And I wasn't expecting it to do anything, pick up anything, but it's very good. It's very strong and it picks up everything so well. But yeah, if you're in a small apartment and you don't want like you don't have space for like a big vacuum to like hide away in a closet, which is basically my situation, that thing is perfect. It's slim, it doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you're looking for a new vacuum, I highly recommend that one. If I can find it, they probably have like a newer version now, but if I can find that same exact one or one like by the same brand, I will link it in the description box because you never know. You might need a new vacuum one day. Hi y'all, so I'm finally done cleaning my entire bedroom. I'm so happier now. Everything is dust free, everything is clean. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog clean with me kind of video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it motivated you to clean. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go eat breakfast even though it's like almost 1 o'clock now. I don't know what told me to clean my entire bedroom and vlog at the same time on an empty stomach. Like, girl. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out and eat some food. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up for me because it really helps me out and all that good stuff. Subscribe as well if you aren't subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.